Hello folks, today's is Sunday, August 11th. I decided to do another garden video here. Let me trim these first. Keep these things blooming. And let me see now. That yellow one there, that pink one there is about ready to go. Okay, and these are my tomatoes here. And let me walk down here. A lot of flowers on the watermelon plant. I fertilized today. Hopefully things get better before the planting season is over. And let me see what we got here. Thought I saw something under here. I'm gonna keep that one a little bit longer. Oh, here's something right here. Yeah, I was out here fertilizing. I noticed a lot of red in my garden. There's one down here. Yeah, like I said, we've been eating a lot of tomatoes, but that's right. They're good. They're good for you. Yep, that's a keeper. There's another one back here. They're not big though. That's the thing about it. They're not big. Let's see what this one here is. Nah, I'm gonna throw that away. Keeping these. Well, by the time the season is over, we're going to be tomato out. I want to look at another tomato. I got to make sure I save some seeds off the yellow pepper too. Let's see, I'm going to keep those on. We got some more popping up here. Not much in green peppers yet. Well, I just go ahead and pick this one here. I got a knife with me here. Clippers. Clip that one too. Okay. This flower here is falling over. You got some little buds on this plant here. Oh, wait a minute. I can see a green pepper or bell pepper over here. Let me go ahead and pick that one there. Like I said, we use them for cooking. Usually when you keep them out here, they start turning bad. So we just pick them as soon as we can. The bell peppers. There's another tomato. Another tomato. There's some more tomatoes. Nice and red. Oh, that one there. I think I'll throw that one away. And see, look over here. I left these peppers on here thinking they'll get bigger. No, they're red, squishy. Quite a few of them. I better start picking them all. Yeah, that don't seem so well. Anyway, let me start picking these peppers. I cut them up and freeze them anyway. I might start another baggie. Well, we use them in all kinds of food when we have baked beans. I put them in my baked beans too. Slice them up, put my baked beans. It doesn't seem that hot that way. And you lose some peppers and you gain some. You can hear the neighbor's dogs. Let me come over here. Like I said, I'm picking every 2 weeks. I'm watering twice a week. That's too small, but anyway, I took it. Thought I saw another one, red one in here somewhere. Oh yeah, here, way back here. Yeah, it ain't no good. They're hot, but the skin on them is very, I don't know what you say it, mushy or something. And it's not very appetizing. I'll keep this one here. It's about to turn red. I see some more tomatoes. I think I'll pick this one too. When I'm done picking, I'm finding more. Okay, let's see. This one producing a pretty nice one here. It's a smaller plant. Let's see what my mammoth plant jalapeno is doing. Can't really tell a whole lot of difference in the size there. They got some more peppers popping up on them too. should start selling them to a Mexican restaurant or something. Usually in autumn where we get the most peppers, so gotta be prepared for that. That's a little stocky one there. These three here came in the same plant trays. Actually, there's 4 of them on there. One I pulled out by accident. And this one seems to be giving me different types of peppers here. Jalapenos. Different style, you want to call it. And this is my volunteer tomato plant. He's getting buds on it too. And I'm not for sure what kind of tomato plant it's going to be now, to tell you the truth. Since I thought the beefsteak was going to be beefsteak, it was last year. This year it turned into a grape tomato plant. So I don't know. And this volunteer plant here by the steps, it got blooms on it too. We'll see what happens with that. If you want me to keep doing these videos, let me know. Otherwise, I'll just pick without the camera. Go wash my garden and change. I like cherry tomatoes myself, but Shelly like these. Put in salads. Man, I should brown nose it. I do this all the time. I didn't think I had that many red ones. And this one here, that's a pretty good size there. Slice that sucker up. Let me see. Yeah, let me get another colander. And stay tuned for part 2. I'm gonna switch the camera off of part 1 here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep coming back. And let me know if you want me to keep doing videos in my garden. Till next time, later.